Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a subpage on Squarespace step by step. I'll be walking through this on the web editor. First, log into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, if you manage multiple sites, make sure you've selected the correct one where you want to add the subpage. Now, in the left-hand menu, click on Pages. The Pages panel will display on the left side of your screen, showing the structure of your current site's pages. You'll see the main navigation section here. If you don't already have the parent page you want to nest the subpage under, you'll need to create it first. Next to main navigation, click the plus icon. A menu will appear where you can choose a page type: standard page, gallery, blog, or whichever fits your needs. If you already have the parent page set up, you can skip this step. Now here's how to add the subpage. Hover over the main page you want to use as the parent. When you do, a plus icon appears next to that page. Click it. This will add a page directly under the selected parent page. It automatically nests it for you. Once you click that plus icon, a page type selector menu appears. Choose the type of page you want to add: blank page, blog, gallery, or whatever suits your content. After selecting the type, a text field appears where you can enter the page title. Type in a clear, concise name that reflects the content, then press enter. The subpage is now nested under your parent page. You'll see it indented slightly in the Pages panel, which shows it's positioned as a subpage. To make sure everything looks right, check your website's navigation menu. Squarespace generally updates your navigation automatically when you create subpages, so the subpage should appear in a drop-down menu under the main page. If the change isn't showing up yet, refresh your browser. A couple of quick tips. First, you can click on the new subpage in the Pages panel to open its settings and start customizing the content, add text, images, blocks, or any other content types Squarespace supports. Second, the page URL structure is handled automatically by Squarespace, but if you want to customize it, go into the page settings and look under SEO and URL. Finally, it's worth checking how the navigation looks on mobile devices. Squarespace templates are mobile responsive, but it's always good to review it yourself to make sure the drop-down menu works smoothly on smaller screens. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful.